moving to the next question. We have to find the slope of tangent and normal. Now, given x is equal to 1 minus a cos theta. Now, differentiating with respect to theta, what we are having? Dx by d theta is equal to a sin theta. Cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. For 1 it is 0. Now, y is equal to b sin square theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we are having dy by d theta is equal to 2b sin theta cos theta. Okay. Now dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Now dy by d theta is 2b sin theta cos theta. dy by dx is equal to 2b sin theta cos theta, 2b sin theta cos theta upon dx by d theta is equal to a sin theta. A sin theta. Now this we are having 2b upon a cos theta. Now slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4 is dy by dx theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to 2ba with cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is what? 2b upon a with 1 upon root 2. Yeah. So we are knowing cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So we can write it now. Dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to root 2b upon a. One thing. Now slope of normal dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. So this becomes now minus 1 upon under root 2b upon a, or this is minus a upon root 2b. So we can rationalize to this also, or you can leave it here only. Okay. So we can write it minus root 2a upon 2b. So this is one answer and this is second answer. Slope of tangent and slope of normal.